Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country vibe vintage interior decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Country vibe vintage interior decorating is a decorating style that combines the warmth and simplicity of country living with the timeless charm of vintage furnishings and accessories. The goal is to create a home that feels cozy, welcoming, lived in, and full of character. People love it for creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere, gives a new life to antique and second-hand furniture, mixes beauty with practicality, feels timeless rather than following short-lived trends, celebrates craftsmanship, family tradition, and nostalgic charm. Country vibe vintage interiors are ideal if you love homes that feel comfortable, authentic, and full of history, where every piece looks as though it has a story to tell. Country vibe vintage interior decorating is more than a decorating style. It is a way of creating a home that feels peaceful, welcoming, and connected to past, instead of filling a room with brand new magic furniture. This style embraces pieces with history, handcrafted details, and natural beauty. Design philosophy. The focus is on comfort, simplicity, and authenticity. Rooms should feel collected over many years rather than decorated all at once. Small imperfections, aged wood, and faded fabrics add charm instead of taking away from it. Next, furniture style. Choose furniture with classic shapes and quality craftsmanship, such as farmhouse dining tables made from solid wood, antique hutches and china cabinet, vintage rocking chairs, Windsor or ladderback chairs, distressed dressers and sideboards, wooden benches with open baskets underneath. Furniture often features natural wood grain, curved details, turned legs, or gently on-painted finishes. Layering textures. Texture is one of the secrets to making a country vintage home feel cozy. Combine different materials like linen tablecloths, cotton floral curtains, crochet shawls, patchwork quilts, woven wicker baskets, jute or beaded rugs, soft wool blankets, aged wooden furniture. These layers create warmth and visual interest. Decorating with vintage finds. Instead of buying everything new, decorate with meaningful vintage treasures such as old books, ceramic pictures, glass bottles, brass candlesticks, vintage clocks, enamelware, wooden crates, antique picture frames, handmade pottery, and family heirlooms. Each item adds personality and tells a story. Bringing nature indoors. Nature is an important part of country vintage decorating. Add fresh flowers in messengers or ceramic vases, dried lavender or eucalyptus, green houseplants, pine cones, branches, or wildflowers, wooden bowls filled with seasonal fruit. Natural elements make the home feel fresh and inviting. Create cozy atmosphere. Soft lighting completes the look. Use warm white bulbs, fabric lampshades, table lamps with ceramic or wooden bases, candles and lanterns, plenty of natural daylight to light-colored curtains. The result is a relaxed, comfortable atmosphere that is perfect for everyday living. Unlike fast-changing decorating trends, country vibe vintage interiors remain beautiful because they emphasize quality, craftsmanship, and comfort. Over time, you can continue adding antique finds, handmade decor, and treasured keepsakes, allowing your home to evolve naturally while keeping its warm, nostalgic charm. If you want to create an authentic country vibe vintage interior, paying attention to the smaller details can make the biggest difference. This style is all about creating a home that feels collected, comfortable, and full of history. Focus on craftsmanship. Choose furniture and decor made with traditional craftsmanship instead of mass product designs. Look for hand-carved wooden furniture, handmade quilts and crochet pieces, oven baskets, hand-thrown pottery, embroidered linens, vintage wooden picture frames. These handcrafted items give your home a personal and timeless feel. Mix old and new thoughtfully. A country vintage home does not have to contain only antique pieces. A balanced mix works best. For example, pair a modern comfortable sofa with an antique wooden coffee table. Use a new neutral jug, bring a vintage dining table. Display modern kitchen appliances alongside vintage enamelware and ceramic jars. This keeps your home functional while preserving its vintage charm. Create beautiful display areas. Instead of hiding everything in cabinets, display everyday items attractively. Ideas include stacking vintage platters on open shelves, arranging teacups instead a glass front hut, displaying cookbooks on wooden shelves, filling wicker baskets with blankets, showing off handmade crochet pieces. These displays make the home feel warm and lived in. Seasonal decorating. Country painters introduce change gently with the seasons. Spring, use fresh tulips or daisies. Floral table genres, pastel-colored cushions. For summer, use wildflowers, linen curtains, and light cotton shells. For autumn, use pumpkins, dried wheat, wooden lanterns, and warm plaid blankets. For winter, use evergreen branches, candles, thick knitted blankets, and pine cones, and wooden decorations. Changing a few accessories each season keeps the home fresh without a complete redesign. The beauty of imperfections. One of the defining features of this style is that items don't have to look perfect. Example includes slightly faded floral fabrics, distressed painted furniture, ordered wooden floors, vintage brass with a natural patina, handmade pottery with unique variations. These imperfections create authenticity and character. Signature decorative accents. To complete the look, consider adding antique wall clocks, botanical prints, vintage style, wooden trays, glass apposite jars, lace table genres, iron candle holders, ceramic pictures, old lanterns, also fresh or dried flowers. A true country vibe vintage interior should feel warm and welcoming, relaxed rather than formal, bright with plenty of natural light, comfortable for everyday living, rich in personal stories and treasured objects, connected to nature through natural materials and greenery. The result is a timeless home that feels peaceful, inviting, and filled with charm, where every room reflects comfort, tradition, and a love for beautiful vintage details. To truly master country vibe vintage interior decorating, it is helpful to understand the design principles that make the style feel authentic rather than simply old-fashioned. Embrace a collected over-time look. Country vintage homes are rarely furnished all at once. Instead, they look as if each piece has been discovered over many years. Mix items such as antique furniture, family heirlooms, flower market treasures, handmade crafts, vintage artwork, second-hand decorative accessories. The variety creates a home with personality and history. Use architectural character. Architectural details greatly enhance the country vintage atmosphere. Look for features like exposed wooden ceiling beams, shiplap or bedboard walls, stone or brick fireplaces, white plank wooden flooring, built-in shelves, paneled doors, and vintage-style hardware. Even adding one or two of these elements can transform a room. Keep the color palette inspired by nature. Country vintage interiors avoid overly bright or glossy colors. Instead, they rely on gentle, earthy shades. Popular combinations include cream and shade green, warm white plus natural oak, dusty blue and ivory. Use soft beige with olive green. Also, muted terracotta with warm gray. These colors create a calm and timeless environment. Decorate with meaningful collections. Rather than displaying random decorations, group similar vintage pieces together. Ideas include antique teacups, iron stone dishes, vintage books, wooden cutting boards, glass bottles, old cameras, botanical prints, and open baskets. Displaying collections tells a story and gives your home a crowded feel. At cozy sitting areas, country homes encourage relaxation and conversation. Create inviting corners with a comfortable armchair, a small wooden side table, a reading lamp, a knitted or crocheted blanket, a basket for books or magazines, a small vase of fresh flowers. These quiet spaces make the home feel welcoming. Choose timeless fabrics. Natural fabrics are essential to the style. Good choices include linen, cotton, wool, burlap, lace, crochet, gingham, floral prints, and ticking stripes. These materials add softness while maintaining a traditional look. Create visual balance. Avoid overcrowding every surface. Instead, mix tall and short decorative items. Leave some empty space on shelves. Balance wood with soft fabrics. Combine rough textures with smooth ceramics or glass. This keeps the home feeling cozy without appearing cluttered. Let your home tell a story. The most beautiful country vintage interiors reflect the people who live there. Display items that have personal meaning, such as handmade crochet projects, souvenirs from travels, antique finds with unique stories, seasonal flowers from your garden. These personal touches make the space feel genuine and lived in. The sense of the style and its heart. Country Vibe Vintage Decorating is about creating a home that is comfortable in a state of formal, timeless in a state of trendy, practical as well as beautiful, full of natural materials and soft textures, rich with memories, craftsmanship, and nostalgic charm. When these elements come together, the result is a home that feels warm, peaceful, and inviting in every season. One of the most appealing aspects of country vibe vintage interior decorating is that every room feels warm, functional, and filled with personality rather than aiming for perfection. These styles celebrate comfort, craftsmanship, and cherished objects. Layer your decor. Professional decorators often use the layering technique to make rooms feel rich and inviting. Build layers by combining a natural fiber rug, wooden furniture, soft cushions, crocheted or knitted shelves, painter's lamps, framed artwork, green plants, and decorative baskets. Each layer adds depth without overwhelming the space. Mix finishes. Instead of matching every material, combine different finishes to create character. Try pairing weathered wood with polished glass, matte ceramics with shiny copper, old iron with soft linen, brass accents with painted furniture, wicker baskets with enamelware. This mix keeps the room interesting while maintaining harmony. Decorate shelves with balance. Add shelves using different heights and textures. Include items such as stacking vintage books, small potted plants, ceramic pictures, wooden candle holders, antique clocks, and open baskets. Leave some space so each piece can stand out. And handmade touches. Handcrafted items bring warmth and authenticity. Ideas include crochet table runners, hand-knitted blankets, embroidered pillow covers, handmade pottery, quills, oven placemats, and hand-painted sign. These details make the home feel unique and personal. Use scents to enhance the atmosphere. A country vintage home appeals to more than just the eyes. Choose natural fragrances like lavender, vanilla, cinnamon, fresh pine, rose, eucalyptus, apple, and spice. The scents make the rooms feel even cozier. Display everyday essentials beautifully. Functional items can become part of the decor. Examples: store flour and sugar in glass jars. Hang wooden cutting boards on the wall. Keep oven baskets for blankets or magazines, display vintage teapots on open shelves, arrange fresh bread or fruit in wooden bowls. This creates a home that is both practical and attractive. Keep the style timeless. Avoid filling every room with trendy decorations. Instead, invest in classic pieces that remain beautiful for years, such as solid wood furniture, neutral upholstery, quality linen curtains, antique mirrors, traditional light fixtures, and handmade textiles. These timeless elements form a strong foundation that can be refreshed with seasonal accessories. The emotional appeal. Country vibe windows interiors are loved because they create a sense of peace and relaxation, warm hospitality, connection to nature, appreciation for history and craftsmanship, comfort in everyday living. Rather than feeling like a showroom, a country windows home feels like a place where family and friends naturally want to gather, share meals, and create lasting memories. Ultimately, this style is about slowing down, appreciating simple beauty, and filling your home with pieces that have meaning, history, and enduring charm. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.